my fashion war lovers. How are you? I'm gonna drop the big bomb, the big one. Are you ready? Oh girl, yes, I did. Look at this. Coming soon to a video near you here at JNL Land. I'll be unboxing this beauty. What do you think it is? A purse, a belt, a backpack? Oh my goodness, I can't even get it out. Look how gorgeous this is. Oh. Let's give it a little shake. It's like Christmas already. I can't wait to unbox this. Post below what you think this is in honor of, what, Fashion Week coming soon in New York City? I went ahead and gifted myself a little goodie. And this was not swag that was given to me. I don't think Gucci be sending gifts. But so stay tuned for more. Subscribe to see what I got from Gucci. Bye guys.